Yung item, kakailapitan nyo, yung item.
Ayun yung item ah.
Oo, talihan, ano lagat nila?
Yung item yung lapitan nyo, yung item.
Oh, may nahulog.
Kunin niya ang nahulog, pangkain na.
Sa kanila yan, nahulog yung tropa nila.
The thrust is still transparency. The video will show that the ICAD activities are all contrary to what they say. Their deceptive actions, they lack common sense. We could not airdrop construction materials. Their narratives is that they do the blocking because of construction materials. I would like to point out that they have zero common sense. You will see that what appeared there is all food stuff. The measured transparency approach is still there.